We all know what is the angle sum property of the triangle. The angle sum property of the triangle says that if the internal angles of the triangle are angle A, angle B and angle C, then the sum of all these internal angles is equal to 180 degree. That is, angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Okay, so this is the angle sum property of the triangle. What is the angle sum property of the quadrilateral? Okay, first we are going to discuss with a convex quadrilateral, and then we will take a concave quadrilateral. Now if you are wondering that what is the difference between a convex quadrilateral and a concave quadrilateral, so we have already discussed this in our previous tutorial. I'll put the link in the description box below. Please watch that video first so that you can understand it. So let's begin. This is our convex quadrilateral. Let's name all the vertices. Let's say this is A, this is vertex B, this is vertex C, and this is vertex D. Okay. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to join the diagonals or the non-consecutive vertices. So this is one diagonal and this is another diagonal. Okay. Now let's do what? Let's name this is triangle 1. Let's name this point O. The intersection point is point O. Okay. So this is triangle 1. This is triangle 2. This is triangle 3. And this is triangle 4. Right? Okay. Now, what we'll do further is make it angle 1. This is angle 2. This is angle 3. Right? Then this is angle, this is angle 4. This is angle 5. This is angle 6. This is 7. This angle is 8. Then this angle is 9. Then this is 10. This is 11. And this is 12. So we have named all the internal angles of each of these triangles. Tell me, how many triangles do we have here? We have 4 triangles. Okay, let's start with this triangle 1. That is triangle, if we take triangle 1, that is triangle COD or DOC, anything, triangle COD. This is triangle 1. In this triangle COD, angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is what? Is 180 degree. The angle sum property of the triangle. Let's name it equation 1. Then angle 4 in this triangle, then triangle, let's take triangle COB, triangle COB, that is triangle 2. In this triangle, angle 4 plus angle 5 plus angle 6 is equal to 180 degree. Let's name it equation 2. Then in triangle 3, that is triangle BOA, that is triangle 3rd, angle 7 plus angle 8 plus angle 9 is equal to 180 degree. Let's name it equation 3. Then finally in triangle AOD, that is triangle 4, we have angle 10 plus angle 11 plus angle 12. This is equal to 180 degree. Right? Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to let's add all these 4 equations. So from from equation 1 plus equation 2 plus equation 3 plus equation 4, adding all these 4 equations. So this becomes, let me copy it here so that we can quickly do it. Angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3, that is, you will add this left hand side of all these 4 equations together. Control C, Control V. Plus this one, plus this one, Control C and Control V, and plus this one, Control C and Control V. Okay, so when we add these 4 equations together, we'll add left hand side together, and then this is equal to 180 degree plus 180 degree is how much? 360 degree. 360 degree plus 180 degree is how much? Is 540 degree. And then 540 degree plus 180 degree is how much? Is 720 degree. Right? So this is 720 degree. We'll add RHS, the right hand side, together. Now, look very carefully. Here we have angle 1 and angle 3. Now I'm going to write this angle 1 and angle 12 together. Look very carefully. Angle 1 and angle 12 together. So angle 1 plus angle 12. Okay, then I'm going to write angle 3 and angle 4 together. Angle 3 and angle 4. These two together. Angle 3 plus angle 4. Then I'll write angle 6 plus angle 7 together. Angle 6 and angle 7 together. So plus angle 6 plus angle 7. Then I'll write angle 9 plus angle 10 together. Angle 9 plus angle 10 together. Then I'll write angle, so okay, we have covered this thing. Then what all angles are left? Left angles are angle 2, angle 5, angle 8 and angle 11. Let's write them together. So angle 2 plus angle 5 plus angle 8 plus angle 11, right? We have grouped all these together, is equal to how much? 720 degree. Okay. Now tell me one thing. If you look at this angle 1 plus angle 1 plus angle 12, angle 1 plus angle 12 means what? This whole angle, right? Angle 1 plus angle 12 will make this whole angle, that is angle CDA. Angle CDA. Let's name it angle D only. If you want to write it completely, you can write like angle CDA. And if you want to write with angle D only, you can do that too. Right? So we are writing it as angle D. Then plus, now look at this angle 3 and angle 4. This angle 3 and angle 4 means what? It's complete this angle, right? So what is this actually? Angle DCB. Angle 3 plus angle 4 means angle, complete this angle C, that is angle DCB. So either if you want to write angle DCB or simply angle C, right? Now, plus angle 6 plus angle 7 means what? Angle 6 plus angle 7 is complete this angle, right? That is angle CBA. If you want to write angle CBA, that's fine. Otherwise, you can write angle B only. Now plus Angle 9 plus angle 10, till now you would have understood what is this. Angle 9 plus angle 10 is what? Actually angle BAD or angle A, right? That was easy. Then plus angle 2 plus angle 5 plus angle 8 plus angle 11. Don't you think that it's actually this complete angle that is around this vertex O? This vertex O is here and it's talking about this complete angle. Now tell me one thing, if this is a point here we take, and if we take one complete rotation around this point, don't you think that in one complete rotation you have moved by 360 degree, right? And you will reach to the same position. Exactly same thing. Angle 2 plus angle 5 plus angle 8 plus angle 11 is nothing else but a complete circular path around this rotation around this vertex O. That is actually equal to 360 degree. So this is 360 degree is equal to 720 degree. Okay, now what I'm going to do is first rearrange it so that it's in the alphabetical order. So angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D. I'm going to transpose this 360 degree to the right hand side of this equation. So this becomes 720 degree minus 360 degree. If you solve it, you get angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D is equal to 360 degree, right? This is the angle sum property of the quadrilateral that says for any quadrilateral ABCD, the sum of the internal angles of the quadrilateral is equal to 360 degree. Now next question that should arise in your mind is, since we have taken this for this explanation is for the convex quadrilateral, what about concave quadrilateral? And if you remember, we have said that yes, we'll discuss for that. So this is a concave quadrilateral, and let's name all the vertices. Let's say this is A, this is B, this is C, and this is D. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to join these two non-consecutive vertices. So this is a diagonal, and now when you see here we have two triangles. This is triangle 1 and this is triangle 2. Okay, now let's name all the angles. Let this be angle 1, let this be angle 2, let this be angle 3, this be angle 4, this be angle 5, and let this be angle 6. Okay, so if we first take triangle ACD, that is triangle 1, angle 1 plus angle 3 plus angle 2 is equal to 180 degree. That is the angle sum property of the triangle. Then from triangle ACB or ABC, that is triangle 2, you have angle 4 plus angle 5 plus angle 6 is equal to 180 degree. Now let us name this as equation 1 and let us name as this equation 2. Add these two equations, that is equation 1 plus equation 2. If you add these two equations, then this becomes angle 1. Let me copy this. So if I take this one, Control C, Control V, you'll add the left hand side together and then you'll add the right hand side together. If you add 180 degree plus 180 degree, that is 360 degree. Okay, now this is angle 1, right? Plus, if I group together angle 3 and angle 4, angle 3 plus angle 4, and then write rest of the angles, and then we group together, then we write angle 5, and then we group together angle 2 and angle 6. So angle 2 plus angle 6, and this is equal to 360 degree. Okay, so this is the angle 1. Angle 1 is what? Angle CDA. We can simply write it as angle D. Very nice. Plus angle 3 plus angle 4 is what? Angle 3 plus angle 4 is this complete angle, right? This complete angle, that is angle DCB. Angle DCB. You can simply write it as angle C. You can simply write it as angle C. Now this is very important to know that you can see here, this angle is actually greater than 180 degree. That is why this quadrilateral has become a concave quadrilateral. A quadrilateral or a polygon becomes concave only when one of its internal angle is actually greater than 180 degree, right? This is plus angle C, then plus this angle 5 is what? Angle CBA, or simply write it as angle B, then plus angle 2 plus angle 6 is what? Angle 2 plus angle 6, that is angle BAD, or simply write it as angle A, and this is equal to 360 degree. Just rearrange them and you have already got the answer. So angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D. Even in this case, this is the sum of the internal angles of the quadrilateral of a quadrilateral is equal to 360 degree. So doesn't matter whether the quadrilateral is concave or it is convex, the angle sum property of the quadrilateral will hold in both of those cases. Okay, so the angle sum property of the quadrilateral says that if ABCD is a quadrilateral, doesn't matter whether it is convex or concave, angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D is equal to 360 degree, where angle A, angle B, angle C and angle D are internal angles of the quadrilateral.